Alright, so what we have here is a 1958 18 horsepower Evinrude. Customer wanted a mechanical rebuild on it. So Matthew worked on it. Tell us what you did to it, Matthew.
So I rebuilt the magneto and then converted the fuel pump.
Fuel pump upgrade from 2-line to single line, okay.
And then I used a carb kit and rebuilt the carburetor and cleaned it.
Okay.
And I changed the impeller and changed the gear oil.
Cool, cool. So I know you've been running it. How's it run?
Oh, it runs great.
All right, let's see it. Started, Matthew. Wow. Portable tool. Tucks right up and idle fuel. Alright, good job, Matthew. What we got left to do now?
All I gotta do is change out a washer in the tilt bracket.
Yeah, there's a customer said that when it tilts it up and down, it hits on the bracket, and you can tell somebody's taking this apart. There's a space right here where a spacer goes, and no space right here, so it's a missing spacer right there.
And I have to add a piece on the clip, the circular clamp.
Transom clamp is missing the circular bracket on the back, so we have that to do, and then we have one more thing to do. What's that, Matthew? Got to run it on the bayou.
Yes, sir.
A bayou test. All right. Well, you did good work, Matthew. Good job on this one. I think you're almost finished.
Thank you.
All right. See y'all next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.